Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Understanding how to reply to an email in Yahoo Mail is straightforward. When you receive an email and need to send a response, the process is quick and easy. First, open your Yahoo Mail account. Navigate to your inbox or the folder with the email you want to reply to. Click that specific email to open it. Once open, look for the e-reply button. This button is typically near the top of the email, often an arrow icon pointing left, or simply the word reply. Click this reply button. A new compose window will appear. This window automatically pre-fills the GETA field with the original sender's email address. You will also see the subject line automatically populated, usually starting with a read to indicate a reply. Now, click into the main message body area of this new compose window. Type your response clearly and concisely. Make sure your message addresses your intended points. After you finish typing and review for errors, locate the send button. This button is usually at the bottom of the compose window. Click send to dispatch your reply. Your message will then be sent directly back to the original sender, completing the communication. That's all there is to replying to an email using Yahoo Mail.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.